Morning, everybody. We've had some questions regarding Scanner, and the Scanner is something that is not intuitive. It makes you think that it is, but it's not. And what I'm going to do here is present an example of a trick and on how to get around some of the Scanner problems. All right. The first example that I have here, the Java, the public class, or the class is named Test Scanner, and you have to import Java Utility Scanner up here. All right. Once that's done, public static void main, we come into, this is, first you have to define the scanner. Well, a lot of this stuff you already know, so I'm just going to go ahead and run through it real quick. You got to define a scanner, and then once you have that, you go ahead and you come down the next line, you system out print. This enters your, you ask the user to enter his name, and by using print versus print line, you'll see that the prompt is actually on the same line as the question, which I thought was always kind of nice. Anyway, so we want to take in a string first, and then we want to take in an int next. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. And then, now when I first did this, I thought, oh, okay, well, I'll just go ahead and flip it around. I can bring in an int first and then a string next. And then, I thought that, and however, it does not work that way. Okay, and the next example here that I have is int first and then string. And then watch, it will not work, and I will tell you why in just a second. Cute this thing. Oh, this thing. I get to it the easy way. Alright. You can see I've already done some testing here, so let me clear the screen. Okay. I want to bring in, I want to run the class. Okay, here we go. Run the program. Here we go. It asks me my name. I'm lazy. I'm just going to start plugging in stuff. My age is 10. Okay, it says my name is 78 and I'm 10 years old. Okay, fair enough. But watch. Now, I've inverted the two, and now I'm actually taking in an integer before I actually bring in a string. So here we go. Watch this. What is your age? 78. And bam, he immediately threw me out, and now you'll see that I'm already out into the native environment. And it's like, well, hey, what happened? It didn't even let me enter anything. Okay, and now I'm going to show you why. Let me clear the screen for the next test. I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to give you the fix. Here it comes. Okay, let me scroll down a little bit here. Alright, it did not work. Alright, and the reason why is that the call to the next int method retrieves a number and leaves the enter key in the buffer. You must flush this out before you want to bring in, it must be flushed out of the buffer for you to complete whatever you need to do. Anyway, here we go. Here's the fix. Go ahead and uncomment it. And then I will run a test and show you that, yeah, it works. Return code 0. Ah, of course. Anyway, now, let's get back to the test, huh? Okay. We're back up into the DOS prompt. Okay, test scanner. Here it comes. Enter your name. This time I'm going to enter alpha, just because I'm not as lazy. And your age, 45. It says TRE, you are 45 years old. That's all well and good. All right. Now, please enter your age. We're going the other way around now. This is with the integer person, the string second. And now enter your name. It did not work, but watch. Now it will work. Enter your name, or enter your age. Excuse me. All right. I am 18. All right. And enter my name, Patrick. My name is Patrick, and I'm 18 years old. And that's the fix. It's a good fix, and if you don't know this, you'll be pulling your hair out for a long time. So I thought I'd go ahead and share this with you now before we start entering the unit code or the coding and unit test environment. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.